Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Shweta Please Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful healthy breakfast option from finger millet flour. So everybody knows finger millet is very healthy, but people find very limited options to do with finger millet. So I'm going to show you a healthy breakfast option. But the thing is, if you are having diabetic or like that, then you can substitute with stevia. That's how most of the people are doing. But this is not a crepe, but something like a thin pancake which are going to steam, and then you can store it in the fridge. It can stay for a week, no problem. When you want to eat again, you just take it and put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, then you're good to go again. So let's see how I'm doing it. It's very quick, very easy, very simple, yet such a healthy recipe. Let's see.
So first of all, we'll keep our steamer, let it start boiling, and so take a bowl. We add around 140 grams of fresh coconut. If you cannot find fresh coconut, you always can add a desiccated coconut, but fresh coconut is the best. And then we'll add our sugar around 85 grams. I'm adding 85 grams first, but later if it's not enough, I may add later. But in case if you're a health conscious person, if you're having diabetic, you always can substitute with stevia. So stevia to taste, and also quarter teaspoons of salt. Mix well everything together. Sometimes I am also doing with stevia, and then I add my 250 grams of finger millet flour. So, and here this is boiling water I am adding. Definitely you have to have boiling water to mix this. So I add around 1 cup first, and then I add another cup again. So don't add all at once, add little by little and see how it goes. So I add almost 2 cups here now and mix well. You can feel the dough is not very hard, not very soft, somewhere in between, so that you can stop it from there. So at this point, please check and see if the sugar, salt enough or not. So I add another extra 1.5 teaspoon. So altogether I add around 100 grams of sugar. But please, if again I'm telling, if you are not happy with sugar, you always can substitute with stevia. So we are ready to go. Here I have my parchment paper. I cut into, you can cut into square or round shapes as however you like. So I cut into round shapes, and okay, so then you can add around 1 tablespoonful and just press with your fingers. It just goes very easy, it glides easy. It's not difficult, just keep on pressing, shaping it like that. It's very easy. If you see anything, any extra dough has come out, so you can remove it with your finger. And now I have my steamer is going on, so I'm going to stack them into my steamer. So I have three steaming racks. So on each rack I'm going to put around 5 of them. Altogether you can make around 15 this thin pancakes or crepe, however you want to call. So stack it, and I'm going to steam it for 10 minutes exactly in high flame for 10 minutes, not more than that. So let it steam now. This is a very healthy breakfast option. So this is my steamed millet pancakes, steamed pancakes, very thin, and it's very tasty with cup of tea. and you can see it's not sticky or anything. It's just nice. Whenever you want to taste it, you just can put it in the microwave for 15 seconds and they are just like new freshly steamed cakes, you know. So please give it a try. It's very healthy. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody.